Alright, so we're getting started insulating. We've already got a bit of a start. I'm going to show you putting up one piece here. It's pretty straightforward. You're fitting it in between the rafters, stapling it down through. We've been cutting random length pieces just because it's easier to put them in than a long piece while you're working over your head. If it was in a stud cavity, we'd do all one piece. So we're going to show you putting a piece in here, a few different pieces, and then we'll come back and recap it when we're done. So hold on, we're going to grab a piece of insulation. In this case, we're using Owen's Corning fiberglass, and we're using our trusty old stapler. You can get an electric stapler, that'll be a whole lot easier, but this is what we have, this is what we're going to use. So put your head into it, get started by lining up half of the rafter. Something like that, and then square it up, pull it straight across. See where this goes, staple it up. So that's pretty much it. We're going to keep on going, see if we can't get this done. And then we're going to put some vapor barrier up. So like I said, we'll come back and recap as we get a little farther in here. We are using fiberglass here. This space is not really going to be heated continuously. We plan on putting in, we believe, a mini split, split source heat pump, whatever you may want to call them, for heating and cooling. We plan on only heating this space when we're actually using it in the winter, or if we've got a project that needs to stay above freezing overnight, we'll leave it on for 24 hours, 48 or whatever. If we were going to heat this space, or live in this space, we'd use more insulation. We might use a different insulation. There's rock wool, there's a variety of different insulations. Spray foam is pretty cool. If you know, it's pricey, but you get what you pay for. Just a lot of varieties. So anyways, we'll be back as we get going a little farther on this and recap what we're doing. So basically all you're doing is just kind of hold it behind you. Specifically as I back up.
Yeah.
See if I can knock the light off.
I got the light. Wondering why we're hearing a big job.
Huh?
Wondering why I'm hearing a big job.
Here's a big dog.
Yeah, I heard a couple of dog barks.
At least I have everything that's matters. Oh, I said it's over. It's a step too far out. Wait for this to go. All right, we finished that. As you can see, ended up using about 2 feet out of the last roll, but that's kind of how it goes. We'll save it for something else. So off to get washed up and get rid of all this itchy stuff, and we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.